Limpopo, South Africa, Africa to the world.
Yeah.
Amamkela.
What up?
Tale Mzudini.
Problem ko ha,
Ita zeyipuma.
kuba na leshiya xa shoto man. Yeah, gal shot.
Badelile. Isweg.
Prima Sikota, Don Dusty, Buti, DJ Shkotola.
DJ Shkotola.
Episode, we had some problems, man, our previous episode. Yeah, so we are just about to settle the score. Yeah, we got our no by Antipanya and Angoja.
Yeah,
Plus, I found some prep work.
For sure, Maras, Yamangena. Izo.
Sir Kanjari Varamata.
Aye. Lekai. Big red over with.
No, number one.
Top China, Galaxy.
He's an best elite.
I 36 South Africa for the Hustlers. Funny mistress is I 26, I 28, 86. Yes, Africa for the Hustlers. Every day sketchy missing you because stomach doesn't have a holiday.
Mara why couldn't number? Yeah, 36.
Number
Ni email.
Kuna machita mangwan pamok na wana mai 2 a 3 about so 3 ya email machita mai 3 sikisiko wa just the number khavisa machita lam
my favorite number 6.
yeah I'm a big shark
Singarmaga ko 6 on char 6 ya ini as long as number 6.
Mara fa
important 3 machita mai 3 khale kuliswinga phole nandaka salute machita mai
ana la kulungisa sweswo ingaku machita mai 3
from salute ano
machita mai 3 ana kulungisa abatlay mavito ingaku machita
I'm a
mai
big
3
shark no khale
Dokela xibelanga xa vuya wajani.
Mutsi.
akuyi
Dubuta wena.
oh akutisa mina na wena
Because ane vulavule xilo xa vuya.
mina ntoyota kufika tona
Hayi ta fika madopo. Fika madopo. Ikwale bana. Ikwale big up.
loko hi lova lavula language ya dollar maybe I stava xifiki khale
Ku ri na mali.
swa mali hayi
Dollar side.
kumbe loko n'wi byela ku ta ku na mapakistani swa dollar
Bye bye.
swa dollar
Oye munhu wa tinoni.
nga rhandzi va mapensi
imkhazikhazi swichuzani
Na hi vona.
and
Say
then
otherwise loko hi veka ka music kumbe ne. Kuna siku va veke ka titibela.
ya
Or tibe tri.
ekulani na mani
So ne.
Yeah, na ino so. Oh, when I got you first got exposed to my music through that one.
Yeah man. And I'm like, who's this guy? Varuma I live. No, I live. Men ga untivi nga un'we le majidi.
njhani
It's just that about this ngashibona ne. It's like we've been looked down at. But para most of the time we pioneer things.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then time and now again we got involved with some people, take the wave, go out there.
but that's
That I need
nice.
credit. So I believe that's the power that's missing from us.
Yeah, but credit
le-
important.
because this is
Credit
credit.
important.
Yeah.
Ibago adi reference.
yeah
Yeah. It's
bathamba lang tiyo
Yeah, so that's why most people want to be late. But lava nga va ka internet or maybe va nga tirhisa social media for the past 10 years, they know more quite.
sure.
but then hayi minto yi nga ku laha ka minkarhi leyi ya vuna ku xuva kona laha yi nga ku va ku maybe that's a wu ri kona hi ku a ku ri ri
Ma 2012. Loko hi vulavula 2012 vulavula hi birth kahle kasi swilo swi jike malembe malama yabo.
Yeah.
So n'wana n'wana loyi a ri busy nkarhi luwa is a big man.
Sure.
Yeah,
Hi mako no recorda swi no nkarhi luwa
Yeah.
a nga ri na studio. Hi ku hina hi sungule ku recorda ma 2011 no.
Kwila.
Kamashamba da. Ku recorda to jump on a record.
Yeah.
Downloaded beat, you know, your Cubase then.
So before that there was no one recording Kamasham.
Amariko Majita. Amariko and a few guys. Mako Majita, hip hop and blind culture one. So Mako Van Banga recorded before us. Couple of people, let me say 4 to 5. Wabona yeah man. Yeah, Mako Mkarele 2010 well the Makazi Avanga record, you know.
Oh yeah.
Yeah man, Mkarele
2010 Makaza ka record na?
No. No, nhleketa. A ku ri na World Cup 2010
Yeah.
So a ku ri na
akuna malume xinapya.
Sure,
That's one
sure,
thing I can
sure.
recall quite well.
so a ku ri na that day leyo taxi teka vanhu va ya vona la FIFA World Cup ta.
Oh, yeah.
Ya man se ya. Ti-memory leti ni hleketaka ta last 30 years before n'wana na n'wana a endla swin'wana, you know what I
So
mean?
which means i minkarhi yo fana.
Yeah.
So it make a sense if you didn't know Pulani. Because now when already in
Sure, akusungula ku citizela. But otherwise, yeah, well, without to kursul swa grel loko twa dai dai ba ko. Loko cheka that the play dai that they get top like. They get like katibele, you know. Like I'm saying there, swa tsakisa ku bokwida ba hala ilimpe. Loko bibela Xitsonga re xanandziya eva.
Yeah.
Mi ba Xitsonga xa mampelo, on this is. Mi fana machita mala gyan.
Kuna Xitsonga xa mampela kuna xa.
Yeah, this is
Kuna Xitsonga, kuna Xichangani.
xa chama kahle xa chama
sure.
Xitsonga kuna Xichangani.
khomeni lero
So antivi ta ku ni fanele n'wi vitana hi la Guga or Dust.
Levi to dusty. Kumbe ku general, kumbe ku papakulu, kumbe ku boti. Yeah.
Hayi ka mina sweswo. But then loko ku ni ku vitana sweswo la Guga ngi siya kwihi?
Ada le kevi. La ku kahle kahle eish. La ku kahle kahle is
Okay, hi gayi ku ta ku la Guga i mani. Dust i mani. Because ntwisa ingaku
Ellen doesn't even break her down from scratch,
Sure,
ne?
sure.
Yeah. Na personally so, abo. Doesn't fika pala. Mara ani sita hlishi kuya ndaku stories the same thing. Okay, it's fine. Mina mavito ntinyiko Sylvester kama Khubele, ne?
Okay.
Njalo la kama Mashamba la. So Mashamba territory is under Ilim, right? Am I right? Yes. It's under Makhado, ne? So basically from the hood, Nyombo, Kabongwe. Okay, ngena xikolo ka Mashamba primary school, you know. Ngena secondary ka Mashamba. Bari le Chitwa. Fika ni bayiza ka grade 11 fail at bayiza no randa ngo music. It's nga focus kahle ni fail even pass ka grade 12 iba grand.
Yeah, since
Just like a
okay.
Siras.
Twa. Grade 11. Akuri
Grade 11 na mina ku ri rini ki.
2011
Ani of the man. Exactly.
or 2011.
Exactly.
So which means that after World Cup is going to be active client of the local music scene.
Exactly. Makona sound karlo ay sungula ku huma. It's fine. Phela khali nande akutwala tirikhodo tele kule ntsena. Out of 50 cent mona na.
After take ku kuma ku ku
Ntlawa local music.
Yeah.
Kumbe music lo vanhu va wu lavaka mako ani hina endla music live there.
Sure.
You know what
But
I
then
mean?
I think kuma 2012 2013 ila vanhu va nga sungula
Yeah.
yi lo tlhe yi dropa on to this va tlhe va vuyela back to the normal music a swi talangi sweswi ku kuma va khe va ku ku le ku tlangiweni track ya Kulani
Yeah.
mara minkarhi liya yo kuma 2012 2013
Eh,
you remember loko hi endla
Na minkarhi ya vurhaba.
ya hi leyo ku bambika leyi on to this nkarhi luwa a ku ri na vanhu a ni think ta ku maybe a ku ri nkarhinyana for a ko va time
Ah,
frame ya
exe. Ah, zwakala munhu.
Hey,
Matenas.
come through,
Exactly.
Baji.
Matenas
Exactly.
Exe ta shota vanhu la man.
va la ku ta ku vona
Kamala
vanhu.
yeah.
Sure, so
Okay,
currently,
artist ya stop. Yeah, i bash kaza.
sure, big up. Ngiphe dala balabla he.
No, ay yena luya na Matenas
Nuri yele.
no yena Matenas
So wama chita makutana matinasi.
Mina mulungu leo china na DJ Mfundisi.
Oh, okay, sure.
wena Matenas
Awula kuchina na mina na.
Wena nyeri mina wanitwa mfana.
Lama.
Mina mulungu leo china na DJ Mfundisi na maponyana.
Na mina ntiji awula kuchina na mina na.
DJ
I DJ la buga.
Shikaza yebo.
para FM
Amen bashikaze ke.
Oh okay.
oh loko a ku nga ri la Guga wa ka Phalaphala FM
Oh, so yini ba?
Wa aku
And you know,
okay.
Mara bona bafone mina ufana wenza dating za serious. Mara problem ya bakare kona. Very
So
soon
uri
fana.
busy ngazi.
Sesni belela rufi ngwanda wata.
Ne. Uspana nama.
Na ufana leo.
Ona dama ndia.
Amle kutholela.
Se wele ku na mahistala ma.
Kota belela rufi na.
Kuniketela ntsena ke. Kuniketela mali masiku lama le kunonowe yo fana ikhili.
ya mali especially
Wele ku na mahistala ma.
Espanya verse sugar I'ma get it any type of way.
Mina ne to be honest ne. Sesni go belela rufi nde I one room.
Yeah.
I want to Black Summit and finish tomorrow. Mama, today I was painting.
Se track ya umarini kasi.
Antivi ku ri maponyani wo hlwela eish na mina wa hlwela
Mara
because
mi record kama.
a ndzi record
Ufana kusendela ti-beat and what not.
DJ ngutla i business wona i DJ ngutla leyo vulavula yona mara swa maponyani a ndzi wo endla because I didn't get time to go there. That's the problem.
tshama ku ri busy
Ya mara ku ri wa swi tiva ku fane endla yini. Fane maybe ngihlanganisa na vo ma Red Cross.
Oh, exactly.
Fane ngihlanganisa na Red Cross. Na u tin'wana va nge Red Cross.
swi ta hatla swi ya
Quickly, very
Yeah,
quickly.
yeah,
Yeah, very quickly. I'm going for number
085 55
55
96
swi fi swi va fast for
523. Na vamba ka protest.
A wu lavi-
Se loko va lava roofing swi lava ta fonela dai number ne.
yeah
Hi mhaka yi kona la ka
na
podcast.
ti-tiles na sleeping
La a wu lavila na.
Sure.
eish wena ku lani huma ka mina
Exe machado. Exe tarega. Ah, exe ya. Muna. Se ka music ti vitana gwela man. Iri gwela man ka music. Mlungu. Okay, I
Die,
put
man.
mlungu na eta umesiki na ina Gaza.
Na Red Cross.
Eta push as a podcast. Yeah,
sure.
like fana na ile bjale ayo.com.
Sure.
Yim come njani ile
Sure.
bjale.
Sure, you know. Ilebzalile sibara mara wena samba.
eri xikwembu xi endlisa ku yini kahle
Wena wa swi tiva, wena swi tiva kahle. Wena swi tiva hinkwaswo leswi.
eri xikwembu xi endlisa
Wena
ku
i swi tiva
yini
swi twisisa.
mara a ni xilo
A fe
hi
yi byela ni esivara mara xi ku nyika nqondele ntsena. Asa
that's why kuma ku chieftain le ka yona a na khe endla tinqondo tin'wana
a endla gospel buleni.
yes
U fanele ku endla yin'wana.
Obla ku rivaleriwa.
A ku na choice mona
xi nga ta ze xi hi tshika xipoa lava va tekela swilo leswi to hlamala nampundzu ri ka honu leti tekela
Ah, so you fanele must give thanks. See? So
Mara-
yeah, 2011 and grade 11. 3 more come on.
2011
Our fun.
Thursday
Mara ikhale reply mara wa fun.
What I'm going to discover something. When I was dope kid, by then I should record a primary.
Esisele se musical genius.
yeah
Nabo Nepo 64.
Sure.
I should record a primary.
Loko blomana
Nsamal
do
ngopfu.
Loko blomana do music ne was to kwenda swin'wana swa
Na
dangerous.
wana u record by then.
yeah bona va teka grade bona va ri ka grade 6
So imagine mahlaki baka 3
Mama recording. Oh, high five.
I miss it.
hi loko mina ni
I missed out, man.
chieftas game
Hey mon, I mean I got exposed to music production and there in ne.
yi na machi
Kahle fully ne. Ku ri swilo leswi ni nga swi lava all this time ne kuma 2011 ni lata kuma 2015 16 was ku ikhale na munhu.
Yeah, yeah.
Hey mon, sweswi wa majita lama nga high school ma 2000 lama ngi manje chumu hi piano hi manyana.
Hey.
Ngopfu vafana va le Limpopo. Mina ni vona music wa ndliwa Limpopo hi vanhu.
Gigi.
Not talent.
He ended mfana wa 16. Sekeli ya dope kid.
Sure. Sure.
Mfana wa 16.
Sure.
Even that track now is 17.
Mfalo wa producer va ri ma.
low base
Lo be ibla mfano.
Low bass
Vafana
DJ.
lava swekile laha he mon.
yeah.
Vafana lava bini laha he mon. Va ri yini pili test ya mchangani. Dope kid na
low
low bass. Ka digital stores hinkwato kwalano mi twa ku ndlela yi.
Spotify
Was stop guiding here this soon.
A quality leyi he vanhu leswi leswi nga ndliwa laha he vanhu.
It's only music.
That thing is dangerous he. Swilo leswi nga ndliwa laha swi fine.
And then ya mfana liya ya na dope kid only you. Yeah, is worth it.
Sure.
Got republished as well.
Sure.
Thank you, GG.
Sure.
And I don't know what was wrong with that the previous one.
Sure.
But I think I would distribute.
no va
Because
chieftain
ku ri loko nga ku ri loko ku huma leyi se a va ri ka Orchard. But data liya yin'wana leya khale a ya
Yisele ka data leyi yin'wana.
se then va switcha liya va yi vuyisa la ka so. Yeah, I'm anticipating great things from Dope Kid. Dope
Yeah.
Kid.
Yeah man. Va sala va brand he man. So otherwise yeah.
So ri
Kulele kwala ka machambi he vanhu.
track liya ka.
Eh.
Ya nena.
Sure.
Kasi ile ka API man track liya.
Trekele ya Dope Kid. Yeah. mara ku na minkarhi leyi nga vulavulanyana hi twana ku hi fanele hi endla EP kahle kahle
Yeah.
so hi decide no possibility yi nga va yo na track leyi ya nghena laha mara i mhaka leyi kumbe hi ta discussiwa kahle mhaka a ni vese hate
Okay, yeah, understand.
hate I guess
Oh, a yi swi tiveka ku ta ku yi le mavokweni
Eh, mara yona phela
Ah,
is
i
out
risimu
there
ra
for-
dope leri
for over a year.
i production ya dope leyi ku ndle teaser die die ne then dope a recorda die die mama and then jigara jumpa elim dope shuka set up maybe nghena that project fakanyana mbi 12 line yali you know what I mean yeah so ya dope featuring Don Dust na DJ
Dope
La
Kid
Boom
featuring Don
na
a
teaser
wu se hetisa kwala ka Don Dust phela a ta na xitori a xi xikulu
DJ Lagu.
hi nga ta zi hi rivala
Yeah, ingaku wata ku ri problem yini i la ku tlhelela la ka grade 11 that year was epic.
yeah ilembe leri nga kuma DJ La Guga na then nga discover DJ La Guga na 2023 swi swi more than 10 years
fana na mina na mavito
12
mabaya
years.
mara vito rin'wana na rin'wana ri ya hi ku ni le kwihi
sure it's fine
vito rin'wana na rin'wana na ndhawu ya
yeah
kona ku
Baba.
na mavito ma Boss Steve, Big Shaq, Brad Diamond,
Sure.
Six Africa,
Sure.
Wolf ya game.
hizo
Swi fambisana na game.
Miri vunya dorobi loyi vana malito ne miri dorobi loko mla xin'wana xi nga famba lavula na dama lona loko mi khome miliyoni mi fanele mi sungula mi ta ka dama mi kwema treke leyi xavise miliyoni mi endlisa kwini te ku nyikeni ya xe ya wena mo
And the play 6 video ya mina i tikuma the way.
yeah
Ya vona na mukateko i kuma the way. So hayi.
Setri mangekateki.
No,
ta
Trima i lava territory yo ka yi nga ri ya yena wa vona. And i khale
Mara wa
Big
swi tiva-
Shaq ma ri kona la.
ah ma Big Shaq ma yini
I khale ma ri kona gaming.
hayi
Setwana bona. Se la Guga I byeli kahle kahle. Yeah, like igore okay. 2011.
Sure.
That was the lenga ku
yeah that was the
discover
crazy year you know before my 2010 my 2008 I ran our music you carry my house music yeah everybody wanted to be a DJ then you know what I mean so aningisela ngo radio blind and this is
like give me the scratches.
of course man
Yeah, that's the legend. No one fucking rich.
yeah
Yeah, I was inspired by that.
sure na many ni smaro dama blind ni twa ku okay
Because kuna nkarhi wa dama na xikhomile like hip hop session.
sure
I don't know, but we were still kids, man. I don't know how back was then.
sure
Maka una outing one baku iti. Yo mala mapete. Yo mama pete. Ay daya ba ma freestyle.
sure mona so minkarhi yaliya vhele wa vona swilo leswi a ri expose na swona a ku ri majita lama va ri na ti-computer ma ri sharp ma kona access na sound you can consume whatever you want you can produce already you know what I mean
Aku
so
man.
a no vula ku access ya swilo ya mina yi ve different mako ma ni ri munhu yingisela radio maka ngo ku access
Okay, okay, yeah.
background so I listen to a lot of radio from a long time so that then yan nghena blind nhlokweni wa vona and then it's fine everybody wanted to be a DJ then nanamhlanje sweswi mzansi
Yeah.
to be a DJ sound like a cool thing no
Yeah, well, big
ntirho
fan
dayi
DJ.
deng yeah it's fun vanhu va vona ngo ku va DJ swikhulu ngopfu it's fun dayi deng wa fanele
Itwa ku
kun'wana
challenges
kuma ku
yini?
nande va ri tlanga 5-hour set professional set so lo nga tolovela ku yima 5 hours hi milenge
Yeah, so
le ka riba dyambu ri languse hala hi tirhela kona
so kahle wena okay, what did you discover that your relation up and like you come out this different?
DJ. That's a trick one, man. I'd like to explain that, man.
Yeah.
You meant to
Yeah.
be established just who I am, ne?
Yeah, the
Strangely
lady
so,
I
eh?
enter kuma ku choose kuba u the presenter in a certain with a certain style. Like phela loko ku yingisela you're not like the other DJs labo kuma ku it's just you DJ only house music. When I are a versatile DJ,
Sure.
who probably reads people's mind.
Sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
So now about the context of that track.
Swi trick bla mina ni rhandza ku yimbelela bla na ri ntsinini plan. And then swilo leswi a swi endlanga ku swona ku DJ so ni boheka ku DJ so loko a ni master ku yimbelela ku makhali ne a ni ta vula ku yimbelela hi kona loko ni nga established through nakona background ya swin'wana na swin'wana i swilo leswi nga musical swi vula ku nga va na swa common na van'wini yeah because yeah but okay loko vuya ka dayide music i rhythm making ya twisisa yeah nkarhi wun'wani ndleve ya pfuna nkarhi wun'wani hi blesiwini phela tindleve leti wa twisisa ku loko i twa wena i twa swa weri wa leswi wa vona mara mina ni vona nga ku yingisela ngopfu music ne leswo swi nga endla ku ni twisisa music kwatswa wa
Okay, so 2011, Like what is the highlight of that year?
The highlight of that.
Like I mean that the Dash SSD was like Mara so but there was something going on in high school. Yeah.
Ningaku highlight ya mina blind ne. Kahle it's back in 2010. Nari mchitawale high school. Mara mina Friday ne aku. DJ. So kuna papi ngwana la kama shamba country ka dance CG.
Yeah, or CG like something.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. So I got busy blind there. Blind makubona space top na you know, set up ka festival la bathini nabo. So mjeta ngwana benge shudu wakamdawo ne. Inga opportunity that day kumba DJ nami nakukhale niranda ku DJ na DJ indoni blind mara.
But you've never been out there.
Yeah, you know, so yeah, like I'm not grand like my kontanga music band bataka blind, you know, so kanjani, you know.
Yeah.
When you go up and ngatanga la music. Yeah, so first of all, my 2011 discovered la buka shkolo ino ka grade 11. That's what passion got changed.
Oh, that's when the name Laguga came.
Yeah.
Why Laguga? What is the meaning of
Hey man, this is a funny story, my brother. Cause you know that name doesn't really have a meaning.
Yeah.
You know, but it's fine. Niri not brand that 2011. Ne? Ncheka ga gaming ko mama kana ma strange, ma grand. Karle akuruna bo gig superstar.
Yeah.
So kuna lo kutangwa track wa sto machitala ma masterate. Bambo fana bo black coffee.
Yeah.
Itwa ku antleket kunta black motion sa or kona na yeah.
Black Motion was there, was there.
Black motion ku koitsula ku. You know, mara mabit mana ma strange DJ Mbuso, wantizisa Takapo. Brazil wa Africa we mona. Ibidrunwa mara na deloko ngisela simpi ne. Phela sweswa na trekele ya beba na African Sax. Lo mun kuba kahle Sunday ngambela playlist wa dangerous. Ngai material wa.
African
Ngani
Sax.
msukumetela da.
Well, the story about Woma Nkarwalo, Woma 2011 to 2009, 2011. I was on Mixed Music.
Oh, okay.
That's where I saw African Sax was first uploaded there.
Sure. Oh, okay. It's a big song.
Yeah, just that someone sang na yena taman.
Mina nang follow le ka Facebook kami no.
On Mixed Music. 2012 somewhere there.
So no bula kuma bituma so emu no Big Nas. Yeah man. Na armashesh. Woman na ban. Otherwise it's fine. Okay. Mtana bit no kuna kick superstar sen lata ko pastel no go okay mina ntaba ku DJ.
Oh.
Imalo ko ni cheka ni karturu time ni bona ko inge Spanish mako isulu swa bangwana. Ko la kai
Like something that can define you.
we are school ngena ka antropa back now. Online some music emo. Ndamba ka brame kuna computer na in everything. You DJ, you playing FIFA and all that, you know. On the way emo. This is a funny story guys. On the way look fire ne. Dai then look and send talk laba vi to emo. Sen kuma skange ska shu wada this is. Sibeketele tango hansi la ibi what is it? Okay, melo nkan van bona ntango ingwa itsaro ku lugogo emo. Was it?
Sure.
Loko ni cheka brand lenga brand lo Italy, what is this? Lugogo, Laguga. Mina DJ Laguga. What is this? Is it like that? You know what I mean? Yeah. But okay, na Lugogo shula ku brand yo car, na mina shula ngata na brand ya stand. What is this? Yeah, even so
Mana mina na swes brand le rin Lagogo.
Lugogo. It's a me one Lugogo, yeah. Kuna shota na
Wena wa
msali.
itebo.
Wabo kuna shota la msali. Lugogo. Dan seketsala wonsanga na ubeni mayanga
That essay.
vanhu va la Gazan still emakwako kumbe va ri tolovela vito mina a va ri Laguga va ri mina Lugaga
Lugaga. Because already bona va tiva ankuna xivongo xa Lugaga.
akwi a Gaza
No, amavhindini.
olo venda va swi twisisa
Vula ku ku nga ri hava Lugaga.
wativa loko ni vula swone
xikaxi
a na posta a ni kha na posta ne ka dele ni post ndzhaku ina pulani na loko trema and then so vutse la ku kambe itsarisi mara mina ni tsaliya so eku ri hi sweswi ku kombisa ku vanhu va nga swi
Because you know double G something.
yina double G ma va confused
se mina ni faka yi va
mara professionally teka hinkwato wa twisisa professionally brand ya hina professional so under company
Sure.
va teka Laguga G yin'we na Laguga timbirhi va ri swilo swa vona va yisa lava
Okay, so
What does the Empire Records?
so moving on from 2011, let's go to maybe 2012. I think 2012 maybe that's how we enter grade 12.
2012 and like grade 12.
So how was the music back then?
Becoming more excessive, grade 12, you know, phela minkarhi leyi munhu a sungula ku tlhariha kahle, ma vona. Yeah, but otherwise, ku va na mhaka ya scale, a nghena xitwa laha ku na principal van'wana va ri vona Mr. Alfios ne. Va yi motivate blind, mina sungula ku va serious. Mina focus blind ka scale. And then somewhere around September ku tsariwa trial ne. Ku tsariwa trial se ni va serious. Xikolo lexi a xi blind 99%. And then ku ya huma vanhu va 11 va ri na bachela wa twisisa. Then vhen ngheniwa nyonga ya xikele. Oh, swi na scale xa ni pfumelele. Sure. Then pasa grade 12 bachela. College one remind re ni ya nghena xikolo, you know. Ni ya endla sweswo. Loko ni fika second month. That's 2013 now. First month. Niye a radio station more than 5 times. Nikanoku mina na tatirana. Makunbono kuna station anga skona la local. It was before now.
Yeah,
Kuna everything now.
This is you were listening to a lot of
radio, your Jimmy Scratcher, Capricorn FM, because you know, I think I would do nice English radio, you know. But I feel like in lingua and nice talent I'm go fit blind, you know. Nkaro go is a match song, so you know, kilo kedu. Ntshamento abantu laba le kilo kedu kama ngosuku ngwa baka complain ko ba laba da language ba the 12 9
yeah.
bafana ba proveriwa swilo leswi he munhu mako dai dengi language yin'wana antisisa a yi pedi and na culture ya vona iPhone 9 na ba pedi antisisa se ba establish ba tsala ba la
the story. Let me tell you this other story. Wa bona ani that's kambe that value there tanwa yini
ba re le kwina ba re le Bolobedu
Mjaji.
yeah.
So this veil is the twin veil, this one.
As far as the
It's
same
the
vibe.
same thing. They look the same, like structural. They look
Yeah. Structure is the same thing, man.
And
Same lifestyle. It's the same people, yeah.
That woman,
It's the same people.
Kingdom,
Sure.
she's from there.
Yeah. So, emon ala loko ba ku chitenti ka Tshivenda ne, ba ri khitenti lava.
Yeah.
Xin'wana xin'wana vo cinca kiki. Ku va na swin'wana swi nga hambana mako ani language loko va establish swilo. Mina ni language scale mava. So swi ni pfuna ku ni rhandza lyric and blind loko no va ni ri serious ku tsala.
Linguistics, you did linguistics.
Exactly.
Okay, Setwan, key. Yeah, mina wata ntisa ku yini. Ntisa ku I think Xilobedi ne could be the original language.
Ne?
Waswa ku why?
Sure.
Because loko languta Kiswahili.
Kiswahili.
They will have like that pronunciation ya le Central Africa.
And Kiswahili va la mateka bad. I think
Loko
for
like that community, it's like it's isolated.
emona Kiswahili fane dondiwe mona ivala ura ti country ta baya blind emo. Chigala South Africa na. Yeah.
Kanjalo.
Below my bill.
Yeah. We are Trimmers.
I segment, balance segment. Let's segment.
The way you got Trimmers court.
I see the video.
Hey. Merena king. Nala.
We will with another segment. Still, when you're in a Don Dastila.
Ma Steve my king, maba kuina.
Africa.
This is Africa for the hustlers.
Oh, okay.
The last come to Selamati Chuzela from Lava Way.
Sure.
Commit fruit in quad. Really
Esa nelanga kona na RPC nyana.
On the background, it looks like an album. Album, I want to in the trip.
Tamun tatlem phone.
Album, I want to title in the EP.
Minister at the Groovies.
So, Minister of Groovies. Hey, Mr. Trimala. Lokulang ka kating sa lain din. Yan ay bilang good minister ko laliyan.
Ya trim.
What's playing now?
Ka umumele kasi blind. Blind demo.
Yeah.
Wa imbelela wa rapper. This one is producer, I show how I is. Blind.
Reflecta na mina ni fana na vona ma-security lamayani kota ku kasi ni ta ti nyika ntirho ni tikuma ni nyanyuve ni nghena ni le station wa tintambu ta tiphati
Bless Koba.
Mlungu
AKA
Excel Mlungu.
ku zama ku hundza hikuva ku ri swilo ku ri tshovela munhu ntima na hina ri phani ku va va fana na nghena xitarateni
Songa ito na siboksa songa sa
So the block it was a vibe.
Yeah,
It was a vibe, man. Everything was there, see me?
i-timing ya kota ku nghena
Para nasilo na, bebo. Para nasilo,
no sa ti reta ka xiteni
That's
ti reta ka xiteni
nice, man. Yeah.
ende vanhu vo tala so vanhu vo tala
They think you were so. Nobody did, Jackie. Just one, okay, we're personal. Look, you know. Marlo Guru, let us lose there. I thought, I raise an array to Dava. I don't start him. Okay, very good, Makati. So, big up, man.
Damano batata kuma anu batata first lo batata
When I'm gonna see you,
aku no lo kusuka to kitu
So, now Dan Bona.
set up other people so afet ko no one spices nyana 10 gun shot 10 gun
I 6 gun.
6 gun
So, I'm going to say, favorite gun. You want to do follow 6 gun. 6 gun for life plan. I put that bread
Para tayo rin kita yung umabuhin.
investment
Watibandiane yukula babo bathayiseka mrone kula kubayisa bomakhelwane faka direct kunona ngawuseka nyama just kubayisa bomakhelwane aningayibangi spices la no siloko nive spices la akuri music video kusungula even set akubokala stamba majita vela lesigila kuyiba ukuthi sini nabo trema nangu nami sibonini muyibonini la sengativa engantiva kona ikathi kona ku recognize kona kushisa lesha shinoka kula arbantin akoba movie kuri akuri music video plus movie kuri ani senda swivandla
Man, you hail from where? You hail from Josie. You hail the break. Yeah. So it's for two kadewa primary da secondary da.
in and out.
Oh, okay.
So lifestyle. I know about TV. TV.
Anaku mara animal logo sulu so yana you know, must run things, man.
Yeah, mina ka thathi ndona o antenga o inspire for the antenna munhu wona ku izizwe drama leto mo anahamba loko ti mo namandla ma kutlanga tona kona
Wabona dayteng ne. loko vulavula hi die mina ni yi consume late blind ni consume die uma 2018 wabo leswo swo i copy file na yini a ni nga tshama a ni nga swi tekeli kumbe a ri vatsinini mina ni excessive a nga swi kota
Yeah.
he munhu a ni tshama ni vona xilo xi actiwa xi va perfect ku fana na hizo mina hambi ku ri filimi
Why kahle kahle why?
he munhu ni loko ti-actors ti-directors set up wa ni twisisa he munhu perfect
phela leswi nga
he munhu he munhu yi reality ku fana na he munhu he munhu kasi ya die ne homeboy SABC la he munhu I be
Akubane
ku vela
ayikela na shayena at yeah 1999 loko lembe ri hela
so what the problem yini ne culture ne yi fike yi va yi nga vi sharp mara vanhu lava va ringeta ku tshela xitori xe le kwihi xe le George phela xitori xe le mudzombolo lexi you know what I mean no exactly you know what happens ne when it comes to that the problem is ne na tingozi munhu ti fana na tona ti dlanawo ti fanele ti kumela yini bidiwa ngobula in a normal sense ya everyday ku ta kula kahle you know what I mean in a sense yo swona lexi vona ka TV ya ku fana ni xi
mara ni vula ku xona like vola ku taka tika mulanga not the hero what is trying to portray so speaking at what session some of these things are they were they planted intentionally
I wouldn't say much but I know lecture
wena wa vona consistent loko ni sungula ku direct article ka wena
ni vula so yeah exactly
mina hi ku ya mina ka mixsite ra mina on lang mo a no va sto turi ko tu ya ta ni kota ku va ni explore ba character ya mina yi ba myself
we go through acting you know what I mean
because yona simo azgine manje sokuma ku koma jita yabona koma jita ngoba ayitanga ya yitanga besa koma jita azgine semina aranda papa action yabona papa action live
kuna risimu rin'wana risimu lera kahle hi lava ku ri vitana papa action vitana ndhunankulu loko yingisela ka chorus metsele ndavula ku se ku nghena papa action ki ndhunankulu so i story lexi I don't want to talk about it. It's very awkward but okay said it's very awkward that's one plus one ku xin'wana xi vona ka TV aswi ku fanele xiteka mina ni vona swin'wana swo ka swi nga graded as ka TV on the very same series right mara mina ni swi teka ni ndla risimu ra kahle ro inspire vanhu so instead of you know what I mean yeah you know what I mean yeah you know what I mean I switch up the whole thing you know yeah I make it a feel good song not necessarily you know so that's why loko nkarhi wun'wana hina hi ri swona a ni ti artist phela i nga susa swilo hi ndlela yin'wana kumbe kipela swin'wana hina nga swi hina loko hi sohela volume hi fane
this guy we consider section said I think I got an AJN after the AJN
ari munhu nkulu mara ni tini so that's one plus one so ku twisisa ku nkarhi wun'wana swilo na nde swa humelela ne okay for instance vanhu ka ndliwa filimu hi Slavery vanhu a xi teka Slavery mara leyi to big siku rin'wana you know what I mean so swilo leswi a phela nkarhi wun'wana hi fanele hi vona ku endleka yini kumbe vanhu van'wana va swi twisisa ku yini kuna hi kota ku protect hi kota ku you know what I mean yeah phela maku yizo yi ya komba ku jozi yi njhani
and the one kota ku influence ka swin'wana
mara i ku ri kahle a ku na exaggerations mara
sweswo kumbe swa controleka I'm not sure mara nge media I'm sure swa controleka sweswo ne antivi vanhu omla ku tiva lava okay vana lava i vanghana lava it's not good vana ani mtatana na malembe swi leswo phela hi fanele swi landzelela mabas great mara i vangani vana va vona ku film le vatswari va nga va tiva va vona film ka kuruka ani tivi ka national tv ka komba munhu a ka duvula n'wana swa endleka ne swa sibam nayi ka ti-top western swo fana sweswo swi vana va le ku ndlenini va le ku voneni dayidele mara swi kona laha va swi veka mara
For example,
nga vulavula exaggeration kumbe na swin'wana mara wa swi kuma dawa njhani
one
so
effect ngibona yizo futhi parallel
ina difference emuna loko hi ri vanhu fanele hi hlawulele no what I mean I feel not so va vula ku if you live by a short camera you know what I mean so if you don't get involved with thoughts then you know what I mean so va vula ku phela nkarhi wun'wana swilo swi veka personal un'wana na un'wana u veka subject mara loko swi ta ka impact nkarhi wun'wana swilo swin'wana swa va swi ri inspiration hi ndlela yin'wana mara hina hi nga swi voni swona you know what I mean you know my culture na n'wini ya vulavula you know what are we gonna do what is this
one thing about music very loko kuze kusungula vana va respond you got something got something
tikona tsinta xituve munhu kuma ku number 1 munhu ka South iTunes 5 international
that's
tlanga Makhado risimu leri hleketsana be n'wana loko ni sungula ku hasta vanhu loko mi lava swilo misaveni mi fanele mi hasta vanhu loko vanhu va vona nga ku shit simple vana 2019 Emily Makhado nkarhi lowu nga byela ku ya nkarhi wa started working
batondi kona ka midi
Initial logo you hang up for mara mina ntea na sigama
also batondi common kutare
abatondi linkape somewhere around you 16 no alas panela operation so bana initiative kwa ito those are the moments fana loko na mimbele loko ta kumbelela kaya stande vanhu ta kumbelela nga tshama ile minkwalo nga vela nka stande vana van'wana va ntsuma va nga swona you know what I mean so yeah man
so that's how you met you me na phala ka village
exactly no not village next village
the next village also so by then yana push and then report
just been replying look put him blind what kapa ring and then finally kapa na Pretoria on the very same thing especially in Zulu touchdown PTA you know mom's touchdown Ritili Park obon yeah Ntibandao and this and that one famous blind but as well
I'm Ritili Park
yeah all these big cultures all this time in Gabnet festival akala into what dying and that's in a city maniga you know but otherwise mina se andanda ngokubhelela ubona tsela dama ngibone mina na donda mama na so the instrumental I have mara wa ngandi something wa ngandi kuma dala the beat like music that the music business of us or as one
ya plastic
Afrobeat aba jump into Afrobeat that thing was like abana nkarhi wa leya ni kani DJ blind wabo so hi link up hi link up endla swilo swi endleka hi hi rana swilo swin'we vana blind we are offline hi rana swilo swin'we wabo ya nkarhi wo leha blind until mina na tama eka ngane
ever since
mina na damani koko a ni va ri mara mina na dama mina ni ve na privilege yo mina na vatsongi na lava hina ti-artist kumeka loko mi tava local yin'wana na yin'wana le kusuhani le kusuhi u ta hi vona loko humelela ta vona so that things le ve hi nga movement lowu loko hi hlangana mina na timount movement lowu hi pine blind
kambe ku na so Mizofil
no Mizofil mina ni nghene da 2013 ni dlala ni tirha region fast exikolo leswi ana lo tlhela ni DJ ni rhandza music you know macita loko hi hlangana loko hi munhu loko appreciate lama ni byele macita ka grade 2011 lama nga ku service wa grade 2011 byela macita ku mina dama nta sipana na yena
Tana ni ku vana nyana, tana ni ku tsotsa nyana.
Ashikize bana, the interesting part was na mina hi munhu sweswiwani
tana ni ku tsotsa nyana. Mama u nga tika nyana, tana ni ku tsantswalana, tana ni ku vana nyana.
so it's fine I'm sure take 15 years sharp yeah don't go start friend let's be nanda bakso
leswi kutakisaka
sure
okay so sula ku Mizofil kahle it was someone who was bringing power to the song
not really no okay I'm a DJ come on next time I'm like I'm planning to the end of this is the culture. Now for me not that job and rap music hey I do but I not privilege of buki on this is I'm going to change set on this is na budget angar sharp yeah na budget angar sharp that is fine market ne wana like makosi na kama vile wako bana DJ hapo there mabuki one there yeah so mina nikulipusha band rap time ako mina ninspire wangu ku band rap this one so ningitela tongana ina kwa siku ni makolo karo
culturally
yeah right now man I got this new thing that I'm combining everything you know because originally Mgubo and this is originally Mgubo never papa mina I'd like it papa mina makuno ne kaukuta mina machana never exposed to them I'm growing like a panda boy but
same like
small niko na
it's here muna wanga zokana mna muna this other empuna that
tatana yana dama
that's what the war for na ngosh put some question here muna and then just take over the show
Batman good boy so itafanya ba podcast mwana la mashabi
yeah
icharir simzeni ile kutpinene
Into kunyanganya.
era na show ile ku irane show ile ku irane show la ile kutpinene ile ku nje yonwe ile kubone ndai live
Yeah.
ichayini mother
Ntanga fela dali.
oh fela dali okay oh okay taste Mchangana if you're listening from Spotify you can just type in taste Mchangana put our top Kichiwacha and this is one of the best songs in there low bass DJ
sure
production
sure abafana banje swin'wana la munhu okay ngeni vulavula swin'wana swa patet ne ngiri na top ne wena ngiri swin'wana ngeba ku ya mina ne mapiano standard chaona blind from wherever 012 I don't know you know but him na piano leswi kwa film tsene ne
Yeah.
Nga confident na mapiano hinkwawo lamandliwa yona yi masayitini so what is it kumangejani ko batsman hey mon
Salute.
sure bro. Fana umuntu asusha different. Swa unique bro.
Munhu vona mina loko ni DJ ne trim mina na ndeni ta tirho DJ munhu nkarhi wun'wana mina no tlanga ti-commercial song ne hayi kuli mangejani kuna bari man Antoninho Marcos Mayengani maitive ya la mo ya waitive dibango na dona la kala dibabla Emon wasita sukulera wahleka sikulelo ngena vat nokubutsa ku ritsimo leri cha kwala or tera man cha mazimba la
Okula rona.
la mtindo anga fika cha mazimba kamkhekulu ma akacha ritsimo leri ana mena ta dondanyana inana anga donda chipochotista so nata donda kachaliana nata ulizikuwa nofano se aboyeka kuna lokho tabalabla na business ka podcast ngemsebete aboyeka lokho upload album ne kuna benefit 999 ingena daka dikate itatangena daka kuna data ema ni labi Fontaine ngaba Jozi bele 012 lo Cape Town ina lokho jika te review da emona support ya music ya da emona ita kuma Cape Town ya tsa mara kuta
Mara imako ke ka data we like one benefit
obviously vendor people
I think the most engaging
they made me man salute the best ama na Joseph Oya G tashkara na G stuff like that no man
mostly accounts which are
Love will make you do crazy things on. Love will make you do crazy things on. Love will make you do crazy things on. Love will make you
Kona veselia ene recorda kaya mona taxi.
Love will make you do crazy things on.
Ata vamos musica, no
Crazy
yeah.
Stava come essa track
Listen, itin phela lethi ikse ika Spanada is emuna tukwini Mas vezes mais já tô com campaign.
this manga
Tropari ne vai mago, fane trope vada Evan, matang tega ini ne. Matang tega ini Evan, matang tega ini. Mina Evan, mina mi salesman. I'm a salesman guys, Evan. Dobro the product ne. Evan abla online business etc. So, tama chita mele Nigeria. Which dama varu wani. Eba buga vele jana. Offline. Turumta te. Shwana shwana shwana. Na invoice.
move as a
No invoice emuna. South Africa we skip be mina nande shikata 500k. And this is konga negotiate so atosta ku culture ikona. No kota la ite swi. Abana mara. A Europe. Emo yo ya club ile lena. Yo club ile lena.
Mtanganzile.
Chikashitangana ke.
oh yeah
Ebona to much $1 million. Flow with 10 million. Man go 17 million.
display on the cooperative
Yes.
social
Okay, kolane. Emona, lo mini na kuma content ngaya la ilime emona. Baba plan oto. Same Patrick ngwa to fit party da. Short nini yana ndara plan. So ngoma na content ya kulane emona. Da, chile ni mtamanda mkamana au mala. Chali kwa party. So ntangana simlera wenge Afrika.
Afrika ma N.
Emona ndo da track ne. phela kuna nkarhi loyi na ningi ya musicians we listen to a lot of music mara kuna nkarhi wun'we la music ku nga ta yisa ka level yin'wana wa swisisa loko kumbe once in a while so ni twa dai ni swi twa ku okay a leswi serious swisisa ni twa ku okay vuntambhi lebyi na ndleve ya mina yi lava ku swi yingisela byi ri bya serious hi lebyi yin'wana swisisa ya mani mi beda n'wini dai ni vona music video ya
Yeah. So,
okay ana hatlanyisiwa blind market ni ku alewa ya ku yi ri branded a ta vulavula hi swona ta vulavula
yeah, so the thing about that track is almost on each and every episode that I have like. It's coming like that because people are like.
so
it's
if
like,
I signature song
It's like every one of you guys who have put you here, somewhere will link up.
sure
And I'm not feeling that that's the song that defines me.
sure and nkarhi wa ku ri i ra khale risimu leriyani
Yeah,
nkarhi wa ti-afro house before mapiano and
No,
everything
the time between like the release and the recording of the song, not the video. 6 years.
6 years only no
Yeah, because
swi vula ku that track loko yi believe for 6 years that's nice
yeah, even now, because last time if you forgot in December, if you forgot
Sure,
the annual annual it will
kuna
not
risimu
how
leriya kam kuna risimu leriya kam musiku lera mi nga ta si jika mashamba dani kuma ku khandziwe na matafula okay ni relaxini ne majita lama ma nghena ne na swi vona ku se swilo swa cinca na swi ndliwa serious ku nghene ti-superstars
the sound that we use.
munhu loko va nghena va lava ku huma vo damani va nga va performa ma 1 hour munhu na more than 1 hour vo dama va ri hayi hi na habi munhu i manyana
Who came there for that? Can you imagine? He kept out the whole night.
And it's like
15
a
minutes.
bang.
I mean, I'm fine. Nambo in Nika 20.
munhu i ye ntirhweni munhu fika tirha 50 minutes munhu a ni swi boha ku ri xawari ntirhweni munhu loko va ye kule
Naban Babaye, what to school area nice, I will do the same thing. Yeah, I will cut off. I'm into my audience. I'm playing what they want. What's this?
busy that's why okay masiku lama mina ni le ku dyondzeni nkarhi a ni busy ku western everything wa vona nkarhi ne trim na vo trim nkarhi wun'wani pfa holova twisisa okay he vanhu mi ta nghena hi 9 he vanhu
3 minutes.
he munhu
Nge 2.
he munhu
Minutes, okay. If I sign out,
I signing out
Yeah, we should sign out.
we have season 3 coming I don't know when tomorrow Saturday we have season 3 coming through hi baka mashamba si jita bambomonda kombela hi bambomonda
up for the game. Film Zutini, want to say something?
Ana Kenza Laguka, our
Sure,
special
sure.
guest, VVIP.
Sure. Sure. Na mina izo ni vonile vana ne Steven kuteka ni swi vona ku okay loko bayiseka i teka mahanyele man'wana a va fakisa va kona manje a ku ri na mchita n'wana intelligent aka direct anda swa tela sa apply na vona kona menchiza kwata
Javas na tiza mara.
a xi hlamula swin'wana na swin'wana a va a swi karhi kona a xikolweni hi munhu ku ri na mchita wa genius a nga frustani mara swilo swa serious swi teka serious side
Se wata team ya mina ifamba the Javas tiza kuri
Sure,
ya
sure,
askile mara ne.
serious
Sera.
iPad
Ingahlekelela every day if that's what you want. Ingataka swimwe if that's what you want. Ingahlekelela every day if that's what you want.
Ntsako munhu o tilangela hi ku ntsako munhu o tindlela ntsena mutini ku ri na kurhula ku vevuka ntsako wa nghena rirhandzu ri vangele ntsako vangela rirhandzu ntsena mutini ku na ntsako kwele nga aka na ndyangu xin'wana xa nkoka ku rhula loko xilo xi ku vava wa vula hi vumbirhi swo tala hi nga hlula ntsena lo tekiwa u ta ni rhula u nga tsutsumeli ka vanghana swa kahle va faya hambi u pfuka u hlangane na ntshava u nga fambi u byela xichava hi ku tikinga ta kwala mutini i tikinga ta kwala mutini u nga fambi na tona mitini loko famba va endla mithini kata vukati va kanya hi mbilu u nga ti vangeli mabibi ya